fervent. Fervent means believing or feeling something very, very strongly. For example, I am a fervent supporter of Indian culture, or he is a fervent supporter of a party or a particular ideology or philosophy. It is my fervent hope that you learn to use English effectively. There is a word very close in meaning to fervent, and that is fervate. While they both mean having a great passion or zeal for something, fervate indicates extreme and perhaps irrational feelings, and that too in a spontaneous or feverish manner. For instance, fervate footballers, they danced on the field after the match. Fervent indicates steady and sincere. For instance, she has a fervent belief in human kindness. Well, I fervently hope that you like my videos and share them with your friends and family. And also, it is my fervent hope that you achieve your dreams. Happy learning, happy sharing. I am your IELTS buddy, Dharmendra Sheth, founder, Fluentlingua, Surat. Thank you very much.